several of them.
Yeah. So that means me and my sister are princesses?
Not directly, but you have ancestors who were royalty from my side.
So we're royalty.
King Philip of Spain, for example, that the Philippines is named after.
Oh, really?
One of my ancestors.
Ancestors mo? Talaga?
We're lucky to be little royalty.
King Philip is from Spain?
King Philip of Spain.
Oh, really?
What's
your great-great-grandfather?
Like 15 generations back.
Lola niya pala, be.
The spider
Yung name ng
gets
Philippines.
candy
That's
and a
why
teddy
I
bear.
always joke that you
Alright, beautiful friends, the previous video is their video with their papa explaining to them that he or the three of them have heritage of King Philip, the one that's named after Philippines. Yeah, I always forget that part of the story, but yeah, he shared, and the girls are the one, it's like a remembrance for them, and the girls are the ones who prepared that small picnic with some snacks, and they also prepared drinks. So they invited us, and yeah, that was a very first part of this video. So for anyone who hasn't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and we upload videos, like 2 or 3 videos every week. And in this one, Hadassah is praying. That's why I took a video as a remembrance and to show her when she turns 18 or 20 years old, because I'm surprised as well that she just suddenly prayed, and yeah, is very concentrating, so she doesn't know that I was taking a video of her. She's surprised that I was taking a video, so it's just a remembrance. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Yeah, thank you so much for watching all the time, also to our beautiful friends, and let's all take care. Wow, that was a long prayer. What did you pray for? Why were you praying? What are you praying, Hadassah? That's good, girl. Good job for praying. That's a good show too. Ah, this is a good girl. What were you praying? Maybe she's praying for the babies. Mom, her sister. Okay. It's autumn. You have to throw the leaf, Hannah. You're funny. Like that, oh. Like what they do. Tatakbo siya. Yay! Happy autumn! Happy autumn! Like that. It's like confetti. Happy autumn. Happy kunyari. Pero kapag winter na, super lamig. Happy. Happy ba? Excited for autumn. Hannah, are you excited for autumn? I need to throw this big. Grabe, ang daming kalat, no? Ano to? From the trees. So we have to, kailangan natin tong ilagay sa trash. Mamaya. Okay, grocery time. Saturday today. Ayun yung friend nila, be. Oh, blonde ang hair niya. Nalate ako ng kuha ng video, eh. Sana. Hindi. Uuwi na yata. Where's the colorful trees, Hadassah? Wow, babe, look at that. It's so beautiful, no? Iba-iba yung color. Tapos ito pa, oh. Yan. Nature.
Who's not? I'm saying
Knock,
it's
knock.
Mom.
Who's there? Knock again. Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Tink.
Tink who?
You're welcome. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo. What? Who? Who's there? Boo hoo.
Boo.
Boo hoo.
You want me to try a joke?
You're funny. Where's the different colors trees, Hannah?
I forgot.
This. Pretty.
Ducky, ducky. Ducky, ducky.
Oh, Hannah, where are you going? Can we see your face again? Right? She was wondering where is she going. Pupunta kami sa may arts and crafts. Maglalagyan ng diploma ng papa nila. Yung akin yung diploma ko, be. I need to get it again to my para makabalik dun sa college. What's your reason going inside? I'm going to get my diploma. Kasi yung dati ko, parang Xerox. Try natin kung makakuha tayo sa Pinas.
Your wife. A-N-T. Here we...
Be careful of cars. Mag-shopping na naman sa Seria itong isa. Sige, Hannah will go to the grocery store and I need to buy her cup in Seria so that she's not thirsty, di ba? Kulit? Kulit ni Hannah. She wants to buy a Seria mask, she said. I said, okay. Then she go with her sister in the grocery store and then she said, no, I wanna choose. Kulit. Sige, pili tayo. Yung cup nila, be, kasi nung nakaraan, their cup broke. So, we need to get. Tapos yung lunchbox na lang. Si tatay ito yung sabi, bakit kukuha ng video? The weather is good, Hannah, no? Christmas. Dito tayo, Hannah. Chopstick, ang dami, be. Yung cup sana hindi mawala, be. Itong mga batang to, eh. Gusto ko sana yung isa, yung pink. Ay, naku, wala na naman.
Can you get the bear cup?
You can have this for your bag. Pili muna tayo, be, ha? Ano kayang cute, be? Hannah! Ito ba may mga baonan dito? Kuha tayo. Yung cute nung nakaraan. Naisip ko okay lang. Hindi naman nila masisira yan eh. Ay, wala yung princesses. Oops. Ay, nasan ba yun? Ayun, purple. She needs face mask, eh. These are for the kids, Hannah. The one down here. Kawaii. It's a face mask case. There are small ones. Oops. I think they have designs here. You checked. What you like? Ako rin, may face mask ako ngayon suot, be. Buti na lang, medyo tanggap na yung face mask. Hindi ganun ka-weird pag sinuot mo. Ito yung nakita namin, be. Lagay ng food nila ulit. Kailangan kong ayusin yung mga takip nun, be, para hindi mawala. Ito gusto ko to, lalagyan ko ng aking passport.
This is the one I wanted.
Is this? Okay.
See? The mask.
Good job.
It's the one my sister got and
Ito na lang, be. Lalagyan ko ng wreath. Darating na yung wreath, eh, para sa door ng parang Christmas. Hannah, you pause there. 1, 2, 3, go. Smile. Patos. Ito, be, lagyan ko na lang to ng sauce. Kasi minsan wala akong nabay na sauce nila, eh. Ang cute nito, be, oh. Mura lang, no? Ay, nako. Aayusin ko yung mga baonan nila dun. Ay, ito pala. Ito pala, be. We're done buying. Hannah, come on na. Dito tayo, be. Ay, ang ganda ng flowers. Hannah, here. Uy, usually yung sale is nasa front. Tignan natin kung anong sale. Siling labuyo, be. Akala ko siling malaki. Hanap tayo ba ng siomai at saka ano gusto nila? Fish. Kukuha ako ng fish, be. Kasi last week wala tayong fish, no? Yokomochi, ano lang, 10 minutes away lang sa bahay. Malapit lang siya. Ito sila. Do you like?
Look at the eyes.
Tinolang isda. Gusto mo yan? You like it, Hadasa?
No.
You will eat that. Wow, it's so beautiful. Ito yung birthday ni Hadasa. This one na lang kasi yung balloon ang hirap eh. This one you open it and it's already like, there's mermaid here, I think in the ocean theme. This one is the wreath that we will put in the door. Yun lang. Tapos ito yung Surya kanina. Sana last na to, be, kasi itong box na to, wala na ito doon. Walang design doon yung mga boxes sa ano. Dito sa Japan, cute. Diba? Yung mga boxes nila. Meron din yata sa Divisoria nito, no? Ito yung, ano niya, sa birthday niya. Para lang may lagayan. For your cake. December pa naman. November na yun. Ito din.
More plates.
Para in, ano. Kasi same silang cute.
This?
Okay.
What is this?
What's this? For their drink. Kasya ba ito sa bag? What is this? Ay, ito yung lagayin ko ng ano. Actually for ano to, for passport. But they just have, the other one are Mickey Mouse. Ano pa ba yung isa? Yung parang oyster na purple. So ito yung cutest na gusto ko, be. Wala kasi din silang ano. Pag princess kasi pang kids din yun. So ito na lang. Pwedeng gamitin. Kahit pa ano lang, para protector ng passport. But I use this also for my cellphone kasi walang kasya. There's nothing that fits my cellphone. Ayun, for sauce. Pagka may mga deep seal mga kids, baon nila sa school. Ito pala kay Hadasa. Ay, ito ilalagyan ko ng wreath. Maganda yung wreath, be, for Christmas. Kasi hindi na ako nag-decor for Christmas, be. Baka ano lang, Christmas tree. Tsaka ito, front ng bahay. Ayan. Okay, lagay natin. Hana, you like? Ooh, yummy, be. We put chocolate. Nilagyan ng
I made the
Nutella.
mochi into mushy.
Ayan.
Mochi.
Wow.
Mushy.
You bite, Hana. 1, 2, 3. First bite. Yummy? You like it?
Way better now. What is that? Oh, it's chocolate. Minji?
Michi. Oh.
Minji. That's a lot. I thought it would be just one. Yeah, but I'm going to...
Taste test, Hadasa, if it's yum. Try it. You like it?
I don't like it. I love it.
Okay. Do you like it more? She likes more.
Yeah.
Okay, eat it first. Taste test. Ang sarap, creamy. Ang ganda pa ng lagayan niya, be. Ang sarap niyang as gift. Is it good or not? Masarap sila ng ng milk chocolate. Hadasa na hug, come on.
Ew!
Hug sister. Hug sister.
I do that. Hannah, lick me.
Hug sister first.
People friends will cover the ocean with this because it's not summer anymore.
Well, it's not. We will just remove it back. Oh, it's smaller. Oh, yeah, it's bigger. Ay, it's big. It's big too. Maybe I'll this, no? We will flat it. Is it small? Wait lang. The weather is so good, babe. It's Sunday today. Where's Hannah? Be careful, ah. Okay. Ito, be, oh. Ang galing, no? Kahit luma na siya, even if it's a little bit old, but the plant there, oh. Ang cute ng color. I think these are houses here to apartments. Galing. Yung apartment nila is near the city. Doon sa kabila. Yung mga buildings. These are also apartments. Ano to, be? Uy, ang cute naman ng ano nila. Pati yung ganito nila, may design. Cute, no? Sabi natin. Ayun, maganda yung wall niya, oh. Hindi niya na i-paint palagi. Houses rin to. Ano, oh, yun yung Philippine eating area. Tapos dito tayo dadaan mamaya. Ang sarap, be. Mura lang to, be. It's just affordable. Kasi this one is small. Kasi magbo-buffet tayo mamaya. Ganda ng set nila, oh.
With this, and then I made a tiger.
Waiting for Hannah's order.
It's only like your shirt.
I will try this first, be. Let's try. Ang hirap tuloy mag-chopstick. It's fine. We'll get used to this, babe. We'll get used to this. Oh, that's right. Healthy.
Right now I want cheese naan.
Kablam, naan, kablam, sacrifice, kablam, drink, kablam.
Okay. Is it good? Yeah. Yum. Analyze it.
Remember when we flew through the clouds?
Let's try Hannah's, babe. Oh, this is like that. This is fun. Look at that, babe. So good. Let's try. Oh my god. So good.
Almost the same. Mom always gums.
Ang sarap niya. Parehas lang. The red one is good. But I like this more. It's cheese. Lahat na lang masarap.
You get the corny.
Oh my gosh. It's so sarap, babe. Later we'll go to a Philippine buffet.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Acronym doesn't spell anything. SNS.
Then what
Each
does
stand for words. I don't know what words they're supposed to stand for.
what does CTU WU stand for?
What?
C
the cheese is so sarap.
Oh, that's not napkin. That's just the letters being capitalized.
Sarap. It's so sarap. Super.
Gonna knock knock.
Who's there?
Ting.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you
Sounds
done?
like thank you. I'm gonna do
It's a,
knock knock.
who's there? Thank
Ears.
Ears. Who?
Ears. Some more knock knock jokes for you. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Mm,
To say thank. The thank.
Tank.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for us, Jeff.
Not.
You're welcome.
Hi! Tapos na tayong kumain. Ano to be?
Money.
Nepal pala. Nepalese food. Ito pala ba yung Nepal? Oh. Ay, ang cute nito. Ang cute. Yung restaurant. Hola.
Mom.
Where's the parking lot? Ito, bibigay natin to kay Kim. Ay, dark. Bigay natin kay Kim. Ito yung sa online order.
I think it will survive.
Ito be, affordable lang to be. Alright, beautiful friends, that day, it's Sunday. I think they have a buffet every 6 months or 4 months. So this is a Philippine store here in Japan, and they have buffet today for Philippine food. And I am with a Filipina that's near my house. And yeah, she's kind of shy, and she's with her daughter. And that day, I cannot take a video of them. So I was just taking video of the place and the food, and I can't even talk so much because there's some people there, and the place is a little bit small size, so they can hear me, or I don't want to disturb them, so I'm not talking so much while I was eating. So I'm just going to have a recording voiceover so that yeah, I can explain to you what I did that day. This video was taken last November. Would you believe? Autumn 2024. So it's just now that I'm able to edit it. So these are the food. They have crispy pata. Sobrang sarap be. So delicious. And even the egg roll. This one is the mechado. I think it's so good. Mechado, and if we use it, I think that was green olive. It's really good be. With green peas. It's a little bit sweet. I think they add a little bit of sugar on this one. So if you have honey or sugar, you can add to your mechado if you like it. But maybe next time I would make a recipe like this. Spicy soy sauce with vinegar or lemon. Let's eat. Enjoy. There's the crispy pata and the egg roll or lumpia, and then there's sinigang. This is so good. It's just sometimes that you eat Philippine food that's available already, so might as well enjoy it because it's not all the time. It's every 6 months or every like once a year only. So let's just enjoy this. I heard in Hawaii there's a lot of Philippine restaurants. You could order in one styro, there's rice and 3 ulam, 3 viands. So this one is a buffet. Yeah, let's enjoy the food, and then the kids have dinner that night too with their papa. This is the hand cleaning that I do, and lunch the next day is the fish, which is homemade, and I cooked, and fresh fish that I super miss also. Usually if I cook tinola, we call it tinola, diba, yung fish soup. I make it sour too. Kasi ang sarap ng sinigang, babe. It's really yum when it's a little bit sour. But it's up to you. If you want it just plain tinola, it's okay too. But me, usually, if it's like this, I make it a little bit sour. Much better if you have fresh lemon or yung calamansi, fresh, right? Or kamyas or any fresh sampalok. But since I don't have it all the time, so I just use Knorr sinigang mix on that one, I'm sure. But it's also good if you use the fresh ones. So ayan, may patis tayo. Let's eat, enjoy!
So Hannah and Adaza don't like to eat this, but I really love this. I remember my papa and nanay whenever I eat this ganitong ulam. Miss ko si papa at saka si nanay. May tomato siya, may garlic, onion. Ang sarap niya, be, grabe. Sobrang linamnam. Ito, nilalagyan ko to ng spicy. Patis siya with lemon. O yung calamansi at saka ano natin, diba? Yan, kain muna tayo. Let's eat, let's try, ah. But I left yung may fish pa doon. I'm going to try later when Hadassah and Hannah gets home. I'm going to try if they will try eat this. Yung the other fish that's left. Marami pa, be. Many. Practice nila. Para masanay sila, be. So that they'll get used to it. They just don't know this. That's why they don't like. But if they get used to it, magugustuhan nila. Tikman natin. Let's put a little bit of vegetable. Let's try to find tomato. Ayan. And then we'll put this patis. Ayan. And first subo. Para sa ating lahat. Fish. Grabe ang fresh. Kain. Let's eat. Grabe. Sobrang fresh. Ang sarap ng vegetable. Healthy. Let's eat first. Have a great week. Have a great day. Parang dinaanan ng bagyo. Lunch to eh. Monday lunch. Dinaanan November, ano ngayon? 4? November 4, beautiful friends. Dinaanan ng bagyo. It's like hurricane passed by my food, my lunch. May bagoong. Kuha ako ng sili, be. Nakalimutan ko may sili pala sa ref. Buti nakita. Kuha na lang ako unting maliit. Gusto ko patuloy ng rice. Ay, naku, paano na ako magda-diet nito? Alam mo, hindi pa ako nakapa-check up sa doktor. Baka sasabihin ng doktor, ang laki ko. Kasi pag malaki ka, when you're a little bit big and you're pregnant, it's a little bit hard to give birth. Especially when the baby becomes bigger. Ang hirap naman ito tanggalin, be. Ang fresh niya, grabe. Sobra. Ang sarap talaga, be. Saan ba yung vegetable? Let's put vegetable. Ang sarap. So, halos naubos ko na yung rice ko. I'm going to add a little bit more. So, ang hirap. Nasira na naman ang diet. May bagoong. Okay, let's eat. Last one. Kakain ulit ako ng walang video para ano, alam mo na. Grabe. Naubos na yung food natin. Ang sarap. Alam mo yun, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa karinderya. Lulutuin mo na lang. Ang sarap talaga ng home cooked, be. Nakakamiss sa atin, yung mga probinsya. Tapos, nasa dagat ka, no? Kakain pa ako, be. Ang sarap, super. Take care, everyone. Kain tayo. Let's eat. I'm going to add more rice and I'm going to add more soup.
This is my favorite snack.
What's your snack, Hannah?
Teddy Graham.
And this is her favorite today. And this one. This is good.
Yeah. Today I had a substitute.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Dad.
Yes.
What's her dinner? She ate so good.
Hold on, let me cut my food. I wasn't paying attention. You have to start over.
Lalagay ko to sa fridge, but I'm not eating that. I'll just eat this. Eat fish soup again after this. My fish soup. Do you like fish soup? You'll try. I'll just show it to you. Oh, she has a tea party. She wants to. I'm going to change her food code, her nail color. Thank you for inviting me. Okay, there's a party registration. This is their party.
Zen and baby.
Thank you for inviting me.
Hannah Commander.
Is it a fun party? That's
Okay,
my time.
everyone,
My work.
Don't
I have to
grab
fold
a
that.
ring, grab candy and Teddy Grahams.
Wow, yum. Asan na yung... Where's my order? Where's my
You can grab whatever
drink?
you like.
Thanks
Except
for
for the rings.
inviting me. Yummy. Oh, this is cute.
Okay.
I like it. Ano
These
to?
are. Oh, those are.
What's yours?
Ooh, these
Ooh.
look good.
What's yours? She doesn't have.
I have a stingray. Stingy. He's gonna go swimming in the water.
Ito ah.
I want this candy.
Pansin kayo ba eh? Girls rule! Girls rule! Girl! Girls rule! Pag if Sophie Bell's here, she's also a girl. All girls. I hope the baby's also a girl, so like 4 girls. Joke lang.
Several of them.
Yeah. So that means me and my sister are princesses?
Not directly, but you have ancestors who were royalty from my side.
So we're royalty.
King Philip of Spain, for example, that the Philippines is named after.
Oh,
One of
really?
my ancestors.
Ancestors mo? Talaga.
We're lucky to be little royalty.
King Philip is from Spain?
King Philip of Spain.
Oh, really?
Spiders
king.
What's your
the last one.
great-great-grandfather?
Like 15 generations back.
Lolo niya pala, be.
The spider
Yung name ng
gets
Philippines.
candy and
That's
the
why
Teddy
I
Graham.
always joke that you're
Hi.
Yummy.
Alam mo tong pretzels na to ba? Parang barbecue siya. Parang siyang merong butter sa loob.
Oh, yeah.
Tikman natin, ha? Oo. It's like, it has butter inside and barbecue flavor. Ewan ko, hindi ko alam. Pero parang mas masarap to if there's garlic. Let's try. Nakakatawa be kasi nahawa na sa akin yung papa ng mga bata. Tagalog kasi baka marinig niya ako na minamarites ko. Hindi, joke lang. Bumili siya sa Seria o baunan niya para sa trabaho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pasta Primavera. Ang ganda ng recipe na yun, be. Vegetables and pasta only. So, this is his lunchbox for his work. It's so affordable, he said. Everything daw, lang. Mura lang. Parang, basta mura siya. Hindi yung, di ba kasi usually kasi, sa US kasi, ang lunchbox, be, minsan, 200 pesos isang peraso lang. O kaya, 250 pesos. O kaya, 150 pesos. Kaya dito, yung less than 50 pesos, kunyari parang 40 pesos lang tong isa. That's affordable already. Ayan. Nahawa na siya sa akin. Kasi nagtitipid na din siya kasi na-realize niya na pag may mga bata, kailangan magtipid. Kasi may mga anak ka na eh, diba? So, ayan. Ganyan siya, be. Ano ngayon, be? Yung isa kong vlog, November yan. Autumn. Hindi ko pa na-edit. This is, February ngayon. February 4 yata. Kasi 3 kahapon nandun yung check-up ko eh. So, February, ngayon, be? 4. Ayan. Nagluluto ako, be. Maglalagay ako ng pinakbet na gulay. Tapos, yung kanin na sana konti lang kainin ko. Parang hindi naman ako masyadong malaki yata. Ay, yung isa ko palang video ha, yung November. Ano yan? Yung kumain kami, baka sabihin nyo katakaw. Lalagyan ko na nga lang ng ng caption. Ano yun? Kasi half lang. Kasi hindi ko maatim na pasta lang yung kinain ko na parang yung mac and cheese. Kaya lunch ko is yung tinolang isda natin. So, hinapunan ko rin yung kalahati nun. So, yun. Anong tawag doon? Ano chika ko sa inyo? Tapos na. So, yun. Ano siya, pakbet yun, at saka yung parang yakiniku nila. Madali lang naman. Kasi wala namang, minsan wala nang lettuce, okay na. Parang yung Korean barbecue lang naman ang may lettuce. Ayan, ano ngayon? February 4, no? So, ano pa tayo? 15. February 15 or February 20 ko to papalitan yung ano ko, nails ko. Pero next time, wala na siyang color. Next time, our nails will, I mean, it's colorful but no design unless I put the design on top of it. Or yung stickers natin, be. So, right now, it's just like this because it's February and it's Valentine's Day. Akala ko nga yung fruits na lang, kaya lang pinalitan ko na siya. The fruits is so long, so I have to cut it. If it's too long, cut natin. And beautiful friends, take care. Everyone will love you. Have a great day. And it's up to you. It's if you like affordable or not affordable, it's up to you. It's your life. You have a choice. Just take care and let's not take care of ourselves. Let's make sure that when we get old, we're okay. Na hindi okay, diba? But anyways, we don't have to worry about life, diba? As long as you entrust to God everything. God and Jesus, He will take care of us. So, take care everyone. We love you. Healthy vegetables. Ito yung yakiniku nila. I'm just going to put this sauce. Because they are not putting it eh. So, might as well just put it there. Hindi nila nilalagyan. Hindi sila nagdi-dip. Ayan. And then, the pair is the pinakbet be. Hopefully, they won't realize my shrimp paste. And then, there's also, bagoong be. So, vegetable. I don't have talong, but I need it. For the primavera, I need it. So, okra lang. At saka yung, green leaf. So, that is healthy. That's only the one that I have. So, let's just do that. Pinakbet. Healthy vegetables. So, may rice tayo, be. Masarap din ba yung be? Sweet, rice. Nilagyan ko ng konti eh. Kasi konti lang yung rice na natira sa akin. So, we put this. And I need to buy more of this kasi there's no more, oh. Kakayakin nito natin this barbecue. But it's good, right? You can just cook it in your house. Be, it's cooked. Kain na tayo. Side natin to. Yan, gusto niya hadasa yung, ito yung gusto niya na klase pala ng fish. Yung walang head, ayan. Let's eat. Ooh, healthy vegetables.
Hannah's not here yet.
She loves her okra, be. Ayan. And then Hannah is not yet here. I'm going to give her her rice later. Heart-shaped. Good job for eating pinakbet. This is pinakbet, vegetable. Okay? Let's eat. It's sarap. Bigyan natin ito para may colorful. Nalagay ko lang pala yan. No? Kaya nagtataka kayo, sabihin nyo, ba't kaya paiba-iba yung location? Now I know the secret of Zen. Let's eat vegetables. Ito yung sa akin, be. Siyempre may rice. Hindi, kasi yung doktora is, hindi naman ako isi-check niyan. Pag-pray nyo na lang, Hannah. Maliit lang, baby. Hindi malaki. Yeah, Hannah is sleeping, so she will eat a little bit later. Wow, amazingly, she's eating the pinakbet. Sarap ng pinakbet, vegetable. Let's eat. Say pinakbet,
Pinakbet?
Yeah. Yung pinakbet, nilagyan ko lang yan spinach kasi wala na akong ibang gulay eh. Gagamitin ko yung isang talong sa pasta primavera. Healthy rin yun na pasta. There's vegetable. Okay, that's it.